right, so I've tried my best during this area and surface area and volume units that we've done to explain to you where the formulas come from, why they work out the way that they do. I can't do that here. This formula was derived using calculus, which 20 some years ago when I was in college, I maybe could have done that. I've lost all those skills now. I don't have that in my brain. So what I can do, however, is I can show you guys the formula. I can show you how to use it, and we can just kind of keep going with our volume stuff that we're doing. So here's your formula for the volume of a sphere. If you are given the radius, the formula is 4/3 times pi r cubed. I'm stressing that it is cubed, not squared, because its volume is three-dimensional. It's going to be a little different. So 4/3. I would encourage you on your calculator. Most of your calculators don't do fractions because you're using your phone. Just do 4 divided by 3, and then you're going to multiply that by 3.14 times your radius to the third power. Now, if you're using the calculator on your phone, there are exponent keys on there. See me, I can show you how to do that. If you're doing this remotely, I would just multiply the radius in there 3 times. Okay, so on to some examples. So this is 4/3, so 4 divided by 3 times pi times 3 to the third power. All right, so 4 divided by 3 times 3.14 times 3 to the third power. So 3 times 3 times 3. That is 113.04 cubic inches. So let's see, 113.0 cubic inches though. All right, sorry to be going so fast, but we've been doing this for so long. Unless you're just now starting, it's not that big of a stretch. It's a formula. You plug in a number, you're done. So 4/3 times 3.14 times 15 to the third power. That is significantly bigger because of the 15. 14130 cubic feet. Excuse me. Sorry, I got a cold. All right. The only thing that can be changed on these is you're given the diameter instead of the radius. So you have to make that adjustment and cut this down to 4 instead of 8. Cut this one down to 6 instead of 12. So 4/3 times 3.14 times 4 to the third power. 4/3 times 3.14 times 4 to the third power. This one is 267.9 cubic feet. All right, last one. 4/3 pi and then 6 to the third power. 4/3 times 3.14 times 6 to the third power. 904.3 cubic inches. All right, guys, that's it. It's a formula. You're plugging in one number. If you've got the diameter, cut it in half before you start mathing.